Okay.
What happened? Huh? Tell Mommy. Tell her.
What?
Yeah.
What? Are you trying to get the camera? Really? Here's Brady. Say hi.
Is this the bed your mother?
Lucas. Luke. Hey. Hi. You little ham. Hi. Say hi. Yeah. Oh, Brady. There goes your dinner. No, give that back to Mama. Where's your spoon? Oh, here it is. You take a bite, show everybody how good you eat.
All again. Here, let me hold it.
Here, okay, say bye-bye.